안녕하세요. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Fish sauce to it. All right, so
Now is the serve a little sauce to mix with your kimchi. Just raise the hand.
is that fun?
Okay. We may have some more later.
Just had a great time. Really fun making a mess with all of my brand new friends, and it's great kimchi. So really enjoyed doing it.
Today was really great. This is my first time making kimchi. The fact that we could come in here, they had all the tools prepared. It was so much fun, and it's a great activity for all of us to get together and do.
Today's kimchi day was so amazing. What my favorite part was talking to the people at my table, hearing everyone's interest in Korean culture. It was so amazing, and it really brought us all together making kimchi. So I'm so happy to be here today.